To set up a stable Hackintosh, you need to generate a unique serial number, board serial, and SMUUID. GenSMBIOS by Corpnute is the gold standard command line tool for this. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to use it safely and correctly. Go to the official GitHub repository for GenSMBIOS. Click the green Code button and select Download Zip. I will save it into my desktop. Extract the zip file to your desktop by double-clicking it. Open the extracted folder and run the script matching your operating system. On Windows, double-click gensmbios.bat, while on macOS, double-click gensmbios.command. If you encounter this kind of error, simply open your system settings and look for the privacy and security. On the right side, scroll all the way down. There's a warning that running this app is blocked because of the unidentified developer. Simply click the Open Anyway button and type in your password when prompted. Click Open when you receive this pop-up, and it will now open the terminal window. This app requires Python to run, since I don't have it on this computer. Type Y and press Enter. This will download and install Python at the background. Type your password when this part shows up. The password is typically hidden, so type it correctly here. Now, when you into the main menu of the app, we will need to select our config.plist. Type 2, then press Enter. Locate and browse through your EFI folder. I have it here on my desktop as well. Go into the subfolder of OC and drag the config into that terminal window, then press Enter. Once that loaded up, we will now generate the SMBIOS. Type 3 and press Enter. This will download the latest open-core binary files. On this page, you will be asked to type in your SMBIOS. I listed here the SMBIOS that matches your processor generation. Select the exact SMBIOS close to your processor. You can choose both desktop and laptop. If your physical processor generation lies between Intel 11th Gen Rocket Lake and 14th Gen Raptor Refresh, your CPU is not natively supported by real Apple hardware. To get these booting, you will spoof your hardware ID to look like a 10th Gen Comet Lake chip. Consequently, you will use iMac 20,1 for standard desktops or iMac Pro 1,1 if you are running a dedicated graphics card with the integrated graphics disabled. Do not skip this step. You must verify that the generated serial number is not currently being used by a real physical Mac somewhere in the world. Otherwise, Apple might flag or ban your Apple ID. Go to Apple's official check coverage page, checkcoverage.apple.com. Copy and paste your newly generated serial into the box and click Submit. If the result says or shows a valid Mac with an expiration date or purchase date, do not use this. It belongs to a real person. Go back to GenSMBIOS, type 3 again, generate a brand new serial, and test it on the website until you get the serial number you've entered isn't valid. Then validate the serial number once again until you got the invalid notification on that page. You can now simply exit out on that terminal command window. And that is how you use GenSMBIOS to generate clean, unique system serials for your Hackintosh. If this guide helped you get one step closer to a working desktop, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Drop a comment below if you ran into any validation issues, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy building!